I'm not wasting any of my branches.
You put branches at the bottom side, I'll place branches at the top side.
Alright. But is 6 branches enough?
I have 5, you have 3.
Probably need at least 20 branches to surround him.
I mean, it's so hard, it's just gonna tango out.
No, we just put a new tango.
Can we just kill him
or a new branch. No, we can't. This is the only way we kill anyone.
Dude, it gotta be like that.
Lina can even stun all the branches already.
He's not gonna. He's gonna be like so surprised at what's happening in his life.
He's gonna have Dragon's level 1. Are you stupid?
I just fought Lina. He already skilled his stun.
I got him.
He has no performance.
Fuck! What the fuck? Why is this stun level 1?
Why?
This sucks.
No, kill Lina. I have Venom.
Go. Where's your orb of venom? It's on the bear? Oh.
I mean, what can I do, man? Can we catch him? What do you say?
I say... Jawohl.
I feel like we can.
Jawohl?
Jawohl. Get him!
I got him.
You didn't miss.
Worf.
Oh, how is it worth? That's not fair now.
372 gold not worth? Are you kidding me? How's 372 gold not worth?
They're running towards me. And blood.
Ember's not
No, and a rune! How else is not worth?
What now? I'm saying come here, because
Yeah, but he wants to cancel my clarity. Asshole! Just because you don't have mana, he wants me. No! Help!
Bara Lina dran.
Since when was there a tree here in the river?
Dude, he just watered here. He just walked up and watered.
Since when was there a tree here?
I don't know what you're talking about. Yo, I'm ready to blast it. Just sleep someone.
Yo!
I don't fucking know, I've never seen that.
What the fuck is this?
Your dreams await.
Yo, blast this child.
Alright.
Help?
We got him. Leave it in. Lina. I have blood. Son.
I'm going base.
Please survive this hit. No. That's so close.
Worf. Juice getting strong and big.
Oh, there's a branch for me.
Oh, easy to block out. What am I witness?
Just hit him. What's he gonna do?
I'm so healing, man.
TP? Doesn't have TP, doesn't have mana.
No, man,
What did he do? I don't understand. Why
He
did
zoned you a bit, man. He zoned you. Where is the ward? Can you ping again? Can you ping the ward?
Yeah.
Yeah, alright. No, keep, don't contest me, you fucking keeps! Oh. I can block half of them.
I don't have blast ready.
Fuck.
He took to sleep.
Whatever, thanks.
Worth
This
it.
sucks. How come it doesn't work? I need more. I'm bracking brack.
What are we doing exactly?
Gagging Amber, but I think it's an inward mid.
I think so too. You did see me blast kind of. Whoa, triple spirit at the same time!
What the fuck? Did you hear that voice?
Dude, he fucking nuked me again.
Oh no. That
I
child
say
is dead.
worth.
Why is there so many fucking trees? I believe the theory I had there about the lane ward, it is correct.
I think he has a ward here on the side, but he doesn't understand there's a fucking Bloodseeker, so I'm just pressing W and letting it fucking go, kid!
By you.
Let's kill him, Jew!
I need to resummon birth first.
You know.
Running down bottom.
You're running.
How is it so hard to trap him in the sleep?
I don't know, it's a lot of trees you need to commit.
Go kill it back. What?
I don't know about
Dead dive.
that.
Mistakes have been made.
I think you're fine though. Whoa, whoa! Nice, open the opening here to go
Then
from
I
the other
just use
side.
it. Because of the fair blocking, man. What was supposed to go? Oh my god, this game is over. I have no bell.
Game is over, man.
Yeah, game
I
sucks.
mean, what can I say, man?
Yo,
I say.
there's a small little boy here trying to touch me. I don't have mana to blast him.
Why do we always have Bloodseekers?
He's stuck, he's stuck!
I'm tipping to do absolutely nothing but farm after he dies.
I mean, why are they AFK powering with Bloodseeker? I don't understand.
What the fuck?
Whoa, whoa.
Darkness, my old friend.
And now also have Arcana's boots. Whoa. Yo, shut the fuck up,
I'm
kid.
muting this guy, like, holy shit. Is it a Tinker or the Gods?
The Tinker. I got him.
Oh, did you see how he denied the C-skip? What? Excellent. Made sure I don't
You're
get
being
that.
charged? Well, I'm sleeping. Come on,
Oh, that's
God,
sleeping.
don't be like that. I don't got it both loud like that.
Oh my god, dude.
Muting both.
That was the guy that was yelling the duck sounds. That wasn't the other guy.
Is this you who keeps leaving big diamonds for me?
No, bro. Maybe we should play bomb side of the map, maybe?
Yeah, I was just farming down.
Oh my god, even the subscriber thinks they're snakes now. Who started this shit?
It's your turn to be the carry, dude. I can't do it from this.
I mean, I'm really trying.
Yo, he wants to win! Come my small comrades! My comrades!
Your middle tower's under attack.
Kamraden!
Think you're alone?
Hello! Timaska blijaska szukaczka!
I think they're all good time.
I think he's dead.
Yo, Ember, can
Fucking
get Ember.
snakes! I don't have grip. I use my grip. I think we're getting
Yo,
shit,
yo.
man. We're not getting
Oh,
shit,
so
man. We're
close.
not getting shit, man.
I just want to mana leak him once.
Lol. Fucking snakes.
You're charged, by the way.
Fucking snakes
You're
everywhere.
charged. You're charged.
Fucking snakes!
Fuck, dude. I wish I had blind.
I'm hiding probably.
Oh my god, he bashed me.
Let me do anything down
He
there.
bashed.
Can you fucking come already?
I mean, I'm far, what can I do?
He bashed. They would have both died if he bashed.
Pretty sure no, it's fine.
I think you don't die, Dad.
Your middle
Oh,
tower's in trouble.
good.
Think you're being charged? Time to time it?
Middle tower's gone.
Oh, this game is over. This is someone's go. Can someone leave?
I'm trying,
Level
but as soon as
14.
I got like close to his axe, he started dying like crazy.
How is he level 14?
That actually makes no sense to me either.
Some people just want to do that.
Yo, 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 this guy has no mana.
Attack.
He has exactly enough mana to TP out.
That's a good kill.
We won.
But I'm not getting remotely close to it. Can you rapture him?
Favorite.
Dude, look at the movement speed of this guy. Look at how he's running around. You'll never catch anyone.
Yo, no mana, no mana, no mana.
Can you recall me? Bloodseeker or someone?
Stun again.
I actually can't get him. Yeah, I'm gonna him again.
I can mana leak him again soon.
Yes.
Why did he stop moving? Is he stupid?
Maybe this guy on some, like a fear or anything? Sleep?
He stole my kill!
I don't understand why you guys didn't help.
What do you mean? We were doing something else.
Yeah, I started
Kill
gripping
the
before
Ender,
I
dude.
saw
What do you
him.
mean what?
No, it wasn't. But what?
We killed the Ender.
Yeah, but you had spells.
I used them on the Ender. Kill him.
Maybe I wasn't specifically talking about you.
Oh, yes. 800 gold.
Oh, please, 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 I beg. You fucking piece of shit, you tried.
I did, right?
He's gonna get stunned too. Ooh, I can sleep. Need some black up now, some fucking
I
black
think
up.
he's dead. Just
Get
let
some
go.
fucking black up. Oh.
Go push bottom. Come on. As we're waiting, look at my Bloodseeker's farm, dude. I just look at him, man. It's safe when
I
carry.
think I found out how this card was found. Do you remember that at the start of the game, of Bloodseeker
Yo, yo.
was any found?
What the fuck?
Fuck?
Yeah. Oh my god, dude, watch out.
What the fuck?
Cannot be them. Cannot be there unless I get cold. That's pretty cool.
I don't think you recall this.
No.
Oh,
Bloodstone.
bring you fast. In a different patch would have been there, dude.
Yeah.
The smokes might have disappeared.
Yo, yo, yo. No mana never. No mana never. Fuck, I'm dead also.
King and power.
Nice. Definitely worked.
Do you have a demo yet? No.
Of course.
Wait, can you actually?
No blinks in push pit. Press R. Should kill it, guy.
Definitely.
He bought back. He bought back.
No.
We did it, team! We won the game!
Yeah.
Hold this Venom on blinking and press R. Yeah, it's fine.
He's
Yeah,
absolutely
charge!
look at me. Look.
No, we can kill this guy.
Bitch! Yeah, slap
This
your
is
friend and
fucking
then fuck
again.
him in the ass.
The guy went from godlike to like stink dead for more than half the duration of the game.
Yeah.
But
Sounds like a classic Bumbo game.
dude, how is Bama doing in your team?
I don't know, he's only playing PUBG.
What?
That's a good
Well,
sign.
what is it? What is it? What is it? Oh, good.
Oh fuck, I almost got it. I'll recall Bloodseeker unless he plans to kill stuff.
And then Pedipel.
That's not a good combo. That though! That's a good combo though! Okay, mana on me once.
Recalling Blood.
Mana on me once.
Yeah, like holy. Look at that one. Killer Shrine.
Oh, look at this shit. Oh my god, look at this whore. We can bang her
Oh,
right now.
Is,
Oh, look at this whore!
I'm not close.
This whore just for us.
yeah. I think it's
Recalling.
Oh yeah, funneling this whore.
Still there.
Trying to sleep in right now. What the fuck is that damage? Hello? What the fuck? Look at this shit!
It's mana leak. It's mana leak. It's mana leak.
That's some balance right there, man.
That's some, what the fuck? I just... Did you see that? Did you see? What is... It was in fog and he was standing here.
Oh. Yo, this guy is mana leak. I'm pushing him around.
That's not good, right? They're down.
What the fuck?
It's better,
Help.
of course.
He's out of mana almost. No.
Fondo. Congrats on your fucking euros, bitch!
Can you blood rage bell? Blood rage bell.
Dude,
Yo, this
that
guy's mana.
is ridiculous. He kills the fucking max in 5 seconds.
Mom is not a balanced type of it.
Not because they buffed the demolish to 300%. It is, right?
No, they didn't buff.
The demolish?
No, they buffed the demolish on
Oh, right. No, that it's the
It's
auto
just
attack.
like
Auto
they
attack
buffed
demolish.
home and they buffed And they made it, you know, now you can have more blood vessel. And they also buffed the base attack time by like 0.1.